Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox the LEDGER Nano X cold wallet. To do it, let's begin. So here I have the LEDGER Nano X cold wallet. Let's take this cover off. Inside we get the package with two plastic seals. I'm just gonna cut them open. And now inside we get the device. As you can see, this is how it looks. It has some sort of foil on the screen. I'm not gonna take it off right now. A USB-C port, and yeah, it looks quite sleek. Let's move on to what else do we get inside, because we do get a few things actually. The hello documentation, which means there is a recovery sheet, which gives us the place to enter our seed phrase, of course, and it says never share, and yes, you should use it only in places where there's no cameras. Never use any digital devices to store your seed phrase, and you have 2 recovery sheets, or even 3, yes, or 3. Now getting started, use care and regulatory statement, and some stickers. That's quite great. Now let's also see what else, because I can see this in here, and this is some sort of attachment that you can put on it, but I can't really figure out how. I have no idea right now, honestly. And there's nothing underneath besides this USB-C to USB-A cable. And yeah, I think that's basically it about this device. I'm really curious how to put this thing on, but maybe I'll see it in some sort of getting started menu. Yeah, it doesn't even say anything. So I'm gonna try to plug it into power, and let's turn it on just to see. Okay, we can see it powers on. Now there are like 2 buttons, I believe. Yes, you need to download the software for it to set it up, and that's basically it here. I'm gonna unplug it, and I hope that this video was helpful. There will be some other videos about this device, on how to use it and stuff like that, and that's basically it. See you in the next one.